he wanted it to be very, very private, so you saw only very close family members came.
Mwiri wa mutigaire Kenneth Mativa gushinwo kaburi-ini ya Rangata igongona ria rigwikinyitio ni andu a nyumba yake na arata tu.
The catchment areas of Ndakaini Dam depends on the Aberdare catchment areas, which to date has received lower rainfall.
Minister wa Mai Simon Chelgui kuga kwaga kuongereka kwa mai damu-ini ya Ndakaini kumanite na guthukangio kwa mutitu wa Aberdare. Aikari itura ria Bobo kaunti-ini ya Lamu guikara na haho thutha wa tharikira ya itoi cia Al-Shabab mieri 6 mihituku. Na shemania na Harrison Irongo kuma Kitengera uria uthondekaga migeka akihuthira makonia ma nailo no undu umwe na uthi wa gutuma furana.